looking at the concept of profit and what it is. The formula for profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. All right, we can also look at percentage markup. What does that mean as well? So markup as a percentage is how much you would increase let's call it a goods cost or selling price. You're increasing the cost price to get the selling price. So increase the goods cost price to get selling price. All right, so let's suppose you are a store owner. Okay, so you are a store owner, and from this, you're standing at the shop behind the counter, and you have bought goods from some factory that is selling it to you at, let's say, $120. Okay, so that's the price of the goods coming to you. So your cost price of the goods will be equal to $120. Then you've got a customer over here, and you sell it to the customer for $200. The customer doesn't know how much you paid for it, right? So that's something that's not disclosed. So therefore, we know what our selling price is. Our selling price is going to be equal to $200. So the profit that you are making is going to be equal to the selling price minus the cost price. I'm going to call it SP minus CP. And that's going to be 200 minus 120, which is $80. So you take $80 in profit. Now, if you've got $80 in profit, your cost price is 120, your selling price is 200. What is your percentage markup? Which is basically saying, what is your percentage profit made? But now the next question you got to ask yourself is, where are you calculating the percentage profit from? Are you calculating it from the cost price or the selling price? Well, obviously, if you are in your shop over here and you're standing there and you are interested in what percentage you are going to gain from the cost of your goods. So anyway, if I take $80 and I divide it by $120, that's your cost price, that will be your percentage profit there from there. So yeah, I'll take 80 and I divide it by 120, right? And I multiply it by 100. On a calculator, 80 divided by 120 multiplied by 100 comes to 66.7% profit. So that's how much profit you're making from the initial cost of 120. 67% of 120 is 80. And that's your percentage markup of your goods. You're increasing the cost of the goods, which was 120, by that. So 120 plus 80 equals 200. This is 67.7% increase to get there from there. All right, and that's what percentage markup is.